So here's what we need to do an easy installation. These are tools that you can get at any store and will make it really easy for you to do your own installation. Starting with the snipping tools, so aviation snip tools. This will be coming handy to make cuts to the track, to the bottom and the tops. A pencil and a pen if you want to make some cuts straight up, or maybe when you're doing the angles, this will be coming handy. Then you have your square. This will be really useful when you're doing your 45-degree angles when you get to the corners of the roof line. Measuring tape. This will help you planning before doing the installation. Make sure how long is your run and how many lights you can fit on that space. Impact drill to get your screws up. I will recommend to get a magnetic bit. This way will help you not lose too many screws while you're up on the ladder. Or pause, definitely this will be useful. And you have your running wire to run the wires through the soffit in case you need to hide in your powers inside your attic or making a jump from one soffit to the other. Then we have 18-3 outdoor wire to make any splices and jumps that you will need along the way. Some heat wires to do the connections between the splicing and make sure that you don't get any water inside. Another tool that you may need is a meter saw. With a meter saw, you will be able to do the 45 straight cuts really clean. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can still use the snips. And definitely the other thing that you will need is a ladder. It all depends on how the layout of your roof is. You think it's too complicated, you might need to use a boom lift, but that's depending on how the house is built. We hope you like our videos and our tips today. And if you have any question, please email us at hello@bearlightstudios.com.